National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 2:45 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Pecatonica, or 12 miles west of Rockford Airport, and moving east at 65 miles per hour. At 2:05 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported 6 miles south of Freeport with this storm. The severe thunderstorm will be near Rockford and Rockford Airport around 2:25 p.m. Loves Park, Cherry Valley, and McChesney Park around 2:30 p.m. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and away